Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of January 25th to the 31st, and there's lots of great new deals in this week. The first thing off the bat is the different boosters that I received. I got a 10 back when you spend 45 on both of my cards. So go and load them. Always your mileage may vary what you get. Typically, if you don't get these, you get the paper boosters in store. And then I got a couple dental care ones, a 5 back when you buy 3 P&G dental care, and then 15 back when you spend 45 on more P&G dental care. So we'll have to look at those probably in the curbside video later in the week. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday, the 25th. Also, we have a lot of hot clearance up to 90% off on deodorant, razors, and makeup. So if you are in store, look for those 3. Excellent question. Why have I not been in store? Well, the weather has been bone chilling where I live in Michigan, so I'm not leaving the house till things change. I think probably Saturday or early Sunday. It's just been way too cold. And if you are dealing with a storm, please be safe out there, guys. Coupon deals always come back. Big enthusiastic thumbs up for being safe with these weather systems that are happening this weekend, and that, you're staying warm and safe. That's the most important thing. But if you are in a different part of the U.S. where you can just cruise to your local Walgreens, let's get right into the deals. The first is the $12.99 Tide and that Febreze box. That up to 5 is off of the Febreze box plug, and then we're probably getting a $3 digital for the Tide liquid. Grabbing both that Febreze, it's called a plug for $12.99, and the Tide liquid for $12.99. It's $25.98. Subtracting a $5 and a $3 coupon, that's $8 in digitals melting off. You're going to pay $17.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.98 for the 2 or $6.49 for these products. Wow, it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but if you're going to do a $45 basket, this would be more than 50% of it, so it's just a really smart deal if you have that $45 booster to toss it into the mix. As I said, a lot of these Gillette and Venus razors are on clearance. When you buy 2, you get back a $6 register reward. Now, for the cheaper Venus and Gillette at $9.99 a pop, 2 of them would be $19.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're paying $13.98. Getting back a $6 register reward, making it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 per unit. I saw a lot of girls very successful with the Mach 3 Gillette razors. They were buying 2 of them on clearance for like $6 and getting back that $6 register reward. So just remember that if you find any clearance. Also, we have the 3 for $7.49 on the Arm & Hammer laundry care products. It basically shakes them out to $2.49 per unit. I know that liquid is teeny tiny, like most of our hands are bigger than those bottles. But if you love Arm & Hammer, this is not the worst price. If you have extra register rewards that are burning a hole in your pocket, just an idea. And we also have the Pantene for $5.49. Buy 2, get back a $3 register reward with probably a 3 off 2 coupon. Grabbing 2 of these for $10.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $3 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but I know a lot of us are really into the Pantene. I love Pantene conditioner. I think it is like the best of all of the conditioners out there, so I'm excited for this deal. And that is not a bad price point. We haven't had that price point in the last couple of months, so I will have to stock up. And then also the Head & Shoulders for $7. That is one product. This and Pantene, they've raised the price just by $1 or 50 cents if you haven't been noticing. But grab 2 of those for $14, subtracting a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $11. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And I think some of us might have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. If that have not expired, this would make it an extra great deal. So just look what coupons you might have. And yeah, that's another deal for us. Now, if you have that booster, the the 10 back when you spend 45. This would be ideal with this one. We'll have to double, triple check what digital coupons we have on Sunday morning for Huggies, but right now there isn't any. But 3 of these for $31.50, get back a $10 register reward. It makes it $21.50 for the 3 or $7 per bag. If we might have coupons, or if you want to throw this into a $45 booster deal, it would take a lot of it. So just an idea. And if you're going to do it with a booster, obviously you have to pay for the balance with your debit card. If you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash or other register rewards. Colgate is $5 reward when you purchase 2 with a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. That's a new one. Grabbing 2 of these more expensive Colgates. I saw Sensitive was part of it, which I haven't seen in a couple of months. 2 of those for $10, subtracting our digital, you're paying $7, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for 2 or $1 per tube of toothpaste. They are the larger tubes, and again, if you are a user of the Sensitive, you know this is a really good deal, and it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. But I know that for some of us, we have to use the Sensitive toothpaste, so I am looking forward to this deal as well. And then the $3.50 Crest or Oral-B brushes, the Crest tubes of toothpaste and the Oral-B brushes. Grabbing 3 of these for $3.50 a unit, that's $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Because this is a P&G deal as well, double, triple check that coupon or the register reward when it's going to expire, because they have a quick expiry and it's just, you don't want to lose your money. So look at it right away after you do the deal. Another great deal this week is with the Dove body wash. $6 reward when you purchase 3 with a 6 off of 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these body washes at $8 a unit, that's $24. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $18. Getting back a $6 register reward, making it $12 for the 3 or $4 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Talk really quickly about some honorable mentions. The first one goes to 20% off of a 40 plus grocery order using Jan 20. I think with the Super Bowl right around the corner, they're really trying to say, hey, buy all of your chips and pop and all that great stuff at Walgreens. If you can find any clearance copper tone, I know a lot of the sunscreen has been reduced down up to 75 or 90% off. $10 reward when you buy 2. Plus, IBOTTA has a $3 rebate with a limit of up to 5 times. Obviously, you're going to have to scan everything, but this copper tone and different sunscreens have been on clearance. I know it is the wrong time to buy this, but the deal isn't bad. And with the General Mills cereal for $2.49, we have $1 off 2, so it would make each box $2. So if you want to stock up on this, $2 for a box of cereal, that's usually 6 at a pharmacy. Not a bad little dealio. And we also have the Pepsi Mountain Dew products. That's not a bad little price point if you really love soda. And we also have $2.99 for the nice select nuts, these bags of mixed nuts, not a bad little price point. And we have the 2 for $6 for the Doritos and some of the different chip dips. Makes it $3 a unit. Before I take off into the big sunset, Dollar General announced on Thursday this memo I saw from a very credible source that their Christmas, which includes a lot of stuff that isn't very Christmassy, is going up to 90% off. I made a video on a Friday. If you want to check it out, I'll link it right here. Lots of great information. I would definitely go scout my stores in case they might have something to see if you can score big on this clearance 90% off. It's not the quarter sale, but it is something for a lot of us that love to gift for Christmas. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.